friends, welcome back to Bedition Candle Co channel, and today I want to show you how I'm packing my orders in the summertime. So it's not actually summer and it's not hot yet, but my candles that are made from coconut wax, their tops just starting to sweat. So yeah, my candles just need an extra protection before I'm shipping them out. I have 2 orders to pack for this video, so I hope this video will be interesting and helpful for you. Maybe this video can be an inspiration for you, so I hope you'll enjoy. Now I'm starting with the order that includes 3 of my candles that are made of coconut wax, and they just need an extra protection. So for my 3-ounce amber candle, I'm just using a gift box from Amazon. The measurements are 3 by 3 by 3 inch, and also I will link all the products and materials that I used in this video in the description down below. So if you're interested in something, you can check. Before I put the candle in the box, I always use my packing peanuts, so you know it's a glass and it just can break. So you want to protect your candle from breaking as much as you can. Also, I just in love with this honeycomb paper. Not only it looks really kind of aesthetic and just, I don't know, something natural. It just gives something natural to your product, but also it can protect your candles from maybe scratching or everything like that. For a little more extra protection, I'm just using a couple of packing peanuts in the corners of the candle. And because I'm just using a regular white gift box, it looks just, I don't know, not interesting at all. I'm using my packing labels with the same design, and also the customer can use this as a gift for somebody. And for my 7-ounce amber jar candles, I'll be using a box from Amazon as well, and the measurements are 4 by 4 by 4 inch. Let me speak about the candles that my customer bought. The first candle was the Sweet Heaven. That's the sweetest candle that we have in our magic collection, and the scent is just as a burnt sugar and vanilla, so it's really perfect blend of salted caramels. The next candle is Wild Bouquet, and I made this blend by myself, so it contains a little bit of lemon, lavender and lilac. I know a lot of people that are just hate floral scents, but this scent, it's not overpowering. It's really nice and soft blend of lemon and lavender. I personally don't like floral scents, but I just love this blend. The last candle is Beauty Rituals, and that's the most amazing scent for evening time. It's also the blend that I created by myself, and it contains vanilla and tobacco. I think I don't have to explain for you what is tobacco and vanilla. It's a calming scent for evening times or even your morning routine. Basically, you can lit this candle whenever you want. It's not too much sweet and it's not too much tobacco. It's just the perfect blend of tobacco and vanilla. And now my least favorite part is to assemble the shipping box, and the measurements of this box is 10 by 10 by 4 inch. That's the biggest shipping box that I have for now. I can ship with this box 4 candles or maybe even 5 if it contains my little amber candles. You can see half of my box is just empty, and now I'm filling all the empty space in the box with the packing peanuts. So basically, packing peanuts is just your friends. Just remember to have a lot of packing peanuts, and this just can help you and save your candles. And also, not only candles, everything that you're shipping and can break during the transit, just make sure you're using a lot of packing peanuts. And with every order, I like to include my wax melt samples so the customer can get a really nice gift for free. But also you can increase your sales, because when the customer just smells something new and he's like, oh wow, I like this smell, I want to buy something with this smell, maybe wax melt or maybe some candles. So that's a really good opportunity to you to introduce your other scents. For packing my samples, I'm using glazine wax paper bags, and it's 2 by 3.5 inch, and a cotton muslin bags which 2.75 by 3.75 inch. In each order I include a candle care instruction, so I think it's really important for the customer. On the other side, it's just a thank you for your customer, and also where they can find your brand or maybe Instagram account. I'm using a thermalized bubble cushioning for insulation, and I'm using just a couple pieces for protect the candles from the top. At the final step, I'm using my crinkle cut purple paper, so just to add a little bit of color to my package. Sometimes my shipping labels turn out like this, so that's the problem with the alignment and inkjet printer. If you can have another normal thermal, I guess, printer for your labels, then it's way better. And for aesthetic purposes, I think it's really good to add something with your brand on. So maybe you can use a sticker with your brand name, or maybe packing tape. I got my packing tape from Sticker Mule, and I just in love with them. Let's move on to my next order, and here I will be packing my couple of parasol candles. I'm not worried about these candles because they are more protected from the sun, and at the moment our temperatures are not so high that the tops of the candle can melt. The first candle is Mahogany Woodland, and it's actually mahogany teak wood scent, if you know. So it's blend of lily, citrus and woody musk. I personally really like this scent, even though I'm not really enjoying a masculine scent, but that fragrance is really beautiful and manly. This box is not perfectly fit my tents, so I have to use more packing peanuts so the candle won't move. The next candle is Trip to Warsaw, and that's the scent that has its own story. It started in 2021, and me and my boyfriend took a trip to Warsaw, so it was New Year's Eve and we got a raspberry jelly cheesecake, but also we put sparkles in it so we can take some pictures. And then when we lit them up, the fire alarm went off. So that was really funny. The hotel employee knocked on our door and yelled at us that smoking wasn't allowed. So I panicked a lot, and because of that alarm we laughed after that a lot. And after that story, I wanted to remember our best winter trip because it was really a nice trip. I decided to create something with raspberry cheesecake scent. That's exactly how the candle smells, and I'll be adding a wax melt sample with the nostalgia scent. It's exactly the same scent as the Fruity Pebbles cereals. You may be wondering why I'm using a lot of packing tape. That's because of the height of the shipping box, so it's 4 inches, and also my gift box height is 4 inches. Because of that, I just can't close the shipping box. Now that's the really stupid moment when I realized that I forgot to include an invoice. It took me a while to open again my shipping box, but never mind. It happens, and I'm really interested if it happened to you as well. You can just leave a comment down below. Again, I'm using my packing tape to add something beautiful to my package. Now I'm fulfilling my order and including all the information for the shipping label. It actually took me only 5 minutes, so that's not a lot of work. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this video was helpful for you or interesting. So yeah, thank you for today, and I will see you in my next video.